Summer rolls on into August and we're catching up with the Stanford Ringing Group. The nets have been up since before first light. A sudden westerly breeze blows across Stanford Reservoir, making the nets visible to any passing bird. But obviously not to this creature. It's a brown hawker dragonfly, and I can assure you that this beautiful creature was freed and able to go on its way. Soon the breeze drops, and it isn't long before a new batch of birds are brought in from the nets ready to be processed, and at a time when many species are declining massively. The valuable information gained during this process is essential for bird conservation. We see blackcap, sedge warbler, and both blue tit and great tit. And this beautiful, recently fledged robin, no red breast yet, but its gorgeous, juvenile plumage of mottled browns. In the past weeks, a lesser spotted woodpecker has been trapped here and apparently hung around for some time, but now it seems has unfortunately moved on. But this male, greater spotted woodpecker did grace us with its presence, regularly visiting this tree throughout the morning. Well, it's not just birds that are attracted to this expertly managed habitat. Myriad species of invertebrate benefit too, and there are several species of butterfly to be seen. Feeding on these thistles are small white and large white. This buddleia next to the track attracts red admiral, some of which are starting to look pretty tired and tattered now. Their lifespan is around 10 months, and late season generations can overwinter, as can these peacock butterflies that can live up to 11 months, also being attracted to the buddleia, these gatekeeper. For me, the butterfly of the day has to be this creature. At first sight, it could be mistaken for a female common blue, but the crescent-shaped orange spots and the white fringed edges to the wings identifies it as a brown argus, normally a scarce visitor to this patch, but they seem to be here in abundance this year. The stiff breeze whips up again, this time much stronger, sending clouds scudding across the sky, and as we watch a flock of gulls circling high on the thermals, the ringers head out to take down the nets before heading home. So I'll leave you with the bird of the day. This is a grasshopper warbler, a red status summer visitor. Unfortunately, I wasn't here early enough to film this bird, but my good friend Simon Watts of Wild Presentations was, and he's been kind enough to send me this footage he filmed earlier in the morning. And for anyone who hasn't visited Simon's channel, please check it out. It's full of excellent content, and his weekly Sunday vlogs are a must for any nature lover. And that just leaves me to thank you for watching this film and visiting my channel. Very much appreciated. I'll see you again very soon.